Most people know you can use the search screen in Construct Connect Project Intelligence to search for projects on which to bid. However, you can also use this screen to search the documents associated with a project. By utilizing this feature, you can more easily qualify projects and make sure you're submitting bids on the right jobs for your business. Select the search box at the top of the screen to start searching. It's the text entry field that says Search for Keywords within Project Details. Once in the search box, you'll see several checkboxes. Details should be selected by default. The checkboxes define where the search screen will look for the keywords you enter. Since we want to search within the project plans, let's select Documents and deselect Details. Now you're ready to type in a keyword search. So, what would you search for within the documents? For those in specialty trades that don't always appear in every plan set or whose information is not always easy to find, one of the most useful options is to find documents directly related to your trade or scope of work. Determine what you want to search for and enter it within the keyword search field. Projects with matching keywords display below the search bar. To view the documents for any of these projects, you could click on the project name to access the project details page and then view the documents from there. However, there's an even easier way to get to the plans. Look for a column titled Matching Documents. The number in the column corresponds to how many documents in that project match your keyword. Click the Matching Documents column link to go straight to those matching documents in the Document Viewer window. Rather than wading through potentially hundreds of plan pages to find the pages relevant to you, the system automatically filters the pages down to just the documents that match your search. You can still view all of the documents by clicking the All Documents toggle on the left. Additionally, the system has highlighted the keywords you search for on the page for easy viewing. Now you can zoom directly into the critical information you need to see. Navigating large plan sets is easier than ever when performing document keyword searches in Construct Connect Project Intelligence.